Greetings my people and welcome to another episode on the Nick Finance Naija channel. Okay, so in this video I'll show you 4 websites where you can make money from anywhere in the world, Naija inclusive. And the problem with all these kind of videos be say you get many people who go say website, but they no go tell you the one where they work for Naija. All these 4 they work for Naija. Before we enter matter, more do introduction. I'm Nick, and on this channel I take complex financial principles, economic principles, I break them down to easy bits for the average person to better their finance with. In exchange for that, see, just go and subscribe. Now December where we start, we don't pass 7,000 subscribers, and like this video. Or you go like am now, because I will give you 4 websites wey go make sense. And while you're at it, don't fall for any spammer. Guys, I've checked so many websites and I'm still going to research. Even after these 4, I go do more for now. If I want make I do more after this 4, let me know in the comment section. Say Nick, do more sharply, sharply. Without further ado, more just enter computer. Okay guys, you know say I dey like keep this video short and sweet. First, go subscribe if you never subscribe sharply. Now the first thing what you could do. All right, so the first website, guys, is something called Survey Time. Now out of all the 10 websites where I go, now this one makes sense pass. Okay, now why do I like this particular website? By the way, for most of these websites now, survey you go just fill, you go fill survey, then go pay you money for waiting you fill. Shikena, how then go pay you? PayPal account. If you don't get PayPal account, check out my video on PayPal and ask your questions there. Check this out, guys. On Survey Time, all surveys were born equal. Whether the survey take you 5 minutes or 15 minutes, whether you dey Philippines or US, guy, why you know right Naija or Naija, if you complete the survey, you'll get a reward of $1. So imagine say you fill survey and you collect $1. If you fill 20 survey, you collect $20. No story. Now so it be. And as I talk now, PayPal where they make sense, because most people know to get this Amazon and Target. So how they work, more enter. So this is my account, and what did they do be say I don't log in, I don't begin start the process. Another thing where you're not going to enjoy be this: never miss a new survey. So I've been set my platform to say, okay, anytime when new survey day, make it pop up for my profile. And my profile, look at this, welcome back. It seems that we currently do not have new surveys for you. Why? Because the first time when I log in, I don't answer some surveys, but I can't log and say, guy, if any new one day, let me know. So this is the first one I want you guys to check out, guys. All of these sites, go check them out yourself. Survey Time, open an account and do the needful. It's fairly straightforward. That's just it about that. The second one I want to show now, Offer Nation. Offer Nation, same principle. Now just to sit down for your house or your mobile phone, complete online survey for money. You understand? Now the beauty about this is that it is allowed in Nigeria. You get some other ones where I've been trying, they jazzy, then they fine and everything, but they don't work for Nigeria. This one they work for Nigeria. Check out this testimonial. We have paid our members 1,570,201.98. Join them making money. Okay, how does this work out? Cash out for as little as $1 and you get paid under 8 hours. No instant PayPal fees. Now among my screening, as I take screen these sites where I don't come, you know what I do? Number 1, I check. They feel work for Naija. That's number 1, correct. Number 2, they feel pay immediately, and most of them pay almost immediately. Guess what? With as low as $1, you feel check them out. With as low as $10, if you check them out, so you're not going to need to wait, say, then give you credit points or anything. As you're filling those surveys, as the money is coming into your account on these platforms, you can actually move it to your PayPal account. Now, which they call checkout. You can actually check out to your PayPal account. Like I talked before, if you don't know how to use PayPal account, check the video on PayPal. More continue. So again, now my account be this for Offer Nation, and my very account be this. They give me some kind of bonus for opening. I don't make some small points here and there. Now, how do you make money? You come to this tab after you don't log in. Logging in, they're very simple. Just log in with the normal username, password, and all that. Click Make Money. As you click that Make Money, it will bring different types of survey options for you. You see many of them right here. Maximize your earnings opportunities with our paid survey walls. All these paid survey walls, if you explore all of them, guy, if you want to make money online, no be laziness, you will check them out. What I don't do is I click all of them, I check all of them. So now I know say if anyone they are available, I go easily just fill that one. Check this out, guys. This one are $0.95, almost $1, 22 minutes. $0.95, 20 minutes. So if you get time, say you just dey less busy, you fit just see dey this thing all day, fill survey, tire. See, person don't ask now. We received your payment request for $4.96. Now live as they shoot this video, this person just earned 18 cents. Okay, then they show the names. This person will receive your payment request for $6.23. So guys are actually withdrawing based on my own personal research. These sites they legit. But again, not just my personal opinion. No. Go do your own research. No just bank on them. Say because I talk and you could do them. All right. Now the third one is Super Pay Me. Get paid today. I also like this one because it's a fairly straightforward website. Check this out. SuperPayme is an online community that lets you earn extra cash for taking online surveys. Very simple. You log in, same principle. I don't do the homework for now. Just like I say that guy wey dey school, wey sharp, wey do the homework, just pass the homework to now. Now what they do now, so I don't check them out. They are quite credible. I also have an account for here. Make I show you my account. Now my account for SuperPayme be this. Welcome Nick. Again, bonus points and everything. Why I like this one again, guys, in addition to all these survey walls where you go guys click, they have a section here called the latest survey from CPX. I don't go through all of them. In fact, right now I don't even get any survey available because I don't check all of them out. Now check this out again, guys. You see a shout box where you see live updates on what's happening. We receive your payment request for $4.11. This one earn this one earn that. So people are actually making money and earning points on these websites. However, guys, there's one caveat I must make you know. Don't drop sensitive information in any of this survey. If you feel it's information that you think is very sensitive and you don't want to release, baba, no filamo. Because me, I go look the survey. If I think it's something I can discuss, I can disclose, I'll very well do that. You're not supposed to trade your personal information for $1 or $10. It will not make sense to me. All right. So again, make sure you do your research before you look into any of these things. More into the final one. Now, the final one, guys, is Citizen Me. And what is Citizen Me? Citizen Me is a mobile application that pays you for sharing your opinions and demographics with brands and academic researchers. So brands want to know, say, how our brand they do, how this product they perform. Also, researchers where they school, if you want to know, say, okay, when they do research, we want backup empirical studies and all that, they go put survey for this website. And if you fill them, you go make money. Now, this is their website, okay, citizenme.com. This is how their website looks, okay, and this is my profile page. I don't already log in. In fact, for all of them, balance na zero. I never do anything yet. For all of them, I actually logged in, I actually created an account, and I'm actually working on them. All right. Now, guys, these are the 4 I have come up with for now. Because I'm not gonna lie on that. This is not my style of videos, but it's like I'm enjoying this thing because if I did less busy, I feel just a few survey, make $1, make $2. All right. Now let me know in the comment section. Would you like me to check out more? Because there are very many, there are plenty, but not all of them are available in Niger. My role here for now say I go filter all of them. Now the one way makes sense, wey we use for Niger, I'll come bring common for this channel because why I go bring the one way no make sense for Niger? It don't make sense now. You understand? All right, guys. So that's about what I have for you guys in this video. Don't forget, leave in the comment. Do you want me to research more? Say Nick, research more. Nick, research more, and I will very well do that for you guys. As always, guys, I will tell you for now for this video. Bye bye.